Welcome to The Grand Illusion, our new channel focused on the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and technology. If you're interested in staying up to date with the latest news and developments in AI, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and family. Our goal is to keep you informed about the most exciting breakthroughs and cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future. So don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts today. They are here in 2023. Autonomous vehicles are cars or other vehicles that use artificial intelligence, AI, and sensors to perform a wide range of driving tasks, without the need for human intervention. These vehicles are also known as self-driving cars or driverless cars. AVs have been in development for many years, and they have the potential to bring about significant changes in society. There are many manufacturers of autonomous vehicles, ranging from large tech companies like Google and Apple, to established automakers like Toyota and General Motors and many others. These companies are investing billions of dollars into developing self-driving cars, and many of them are in production and on public roads. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles has the potential to bring about significant changes in society. One of the main benefits of autonomous vehicles is that they have the potential to significantly reduce the number of accidents on the road. According to the World Health Organization, over 1.3 million people die each year in car accidents, and many of these accidents are caused by human error. AVs could eliminate many of these errors, resulting in fewer accidents and fewer deaths. Autonomous vehicles could also improve mobility for people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. AVs could also reduce traffic congestion, as they can communicate with each other and with traffic signals to optimize traffic flow. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles could lead to job losses in certain industries, such as the taxi and trucking industries. However, it could also create new jobs in areas such as software development, data analysis, and maintenance. AVs could also impact urban planning, as they could reduce the need for parking spaces and garages. This could free up space for other uses, such as parks or housing. AVs could also have environmental benefits, as they could be designed to be more energy efficient and could reduce emissions from transportation. The transportation industry is one of the industries that will be most affected by the introduction of autonomous vehicles. The logistics industry will also see significant changes with the arrival of autonomous vehicles. AVs can be programmed to optimize delivery routes, reduce transit times, and manage inventory more efficiently. This could result in lower costs for transportation companies and increased customer satisfaction. Additionally, AVs can operate in areas that are difficult for human drivers to access, such as hazardous environments, opening up new markets and improving shipping capabilities. The manufacturing industry will also be impacted by the arrival of autonomous vehicles. AVs can be used for transportation within manufacturing facilities, reducing the need for human drivers and improving efficiency. With the advent of 5G, the fifth generation of wireless network technology being aggressively deployed in 2023, we're set to transform the way autonomous vehicles, AVs, operate. AVs require real-time communication between various sensors and systems, and 5G will enable this communication to occur much more quickly than previous wireless network technologies. This means that AVs will be able to make split-second decisions based on up-to-date information from their environment, leading to improved safety on the road. In conclusion, the aggressive introduction of 5G in 2023 will have a significant impact on the operation of autonomous vehicles. Overall, the future of autonomous vehicles looks promising with the deployment of 5G technology.